Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Are you ready to supercharge your ride? Today, we're diving deep into the world of automotive performance with the best cold air intake for your Honda Civic. Imagine unlocking extra horsepower and torque, all while giving your engine that signature roar. Whether you're a seasoned racer or a daily driver, this mod can elevate your driving experience to a whole new level. Stick around as we compare top brands, share insider tips, and help you make the best choice for your Civic. Let's hit the road to performance perfection. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get started. Number 5. Aerate Cold Air Intake System, the best cold air intake for Tundra. Designed specifically for the 2007 to 2020 Toyota Sequoia and Tundra, this innovative system promises to unleash untapped horsepower you didn't know your vehicle had. Thanks to its aerodynamically engineered intake tube, airflow to your engine is accelerated, dramatically reducing turbulence. This means your engine receives cooler, more oxygen-dense air, resulting in efficient fuel combustion and a noticeable performance increase. No complicated installation here. The Aerate system is designed for simplicity, allowing you to bolt it on without the need for recalibration. Just install and feel the power. Plus, with its high-performance reusable filter featuring dry synthetic Synthemex media, you'll experience superior filtration while protecting your engine from harmful contaminants. All Aerate products are proudly made in the USA, ensuring top quality and reliability. Enjoy peace of mind with a no-hassle lifetime warranty, making this air intake system a smart investment for any Tundra owner looking to elevate their driving experience. Number 4. AFA Power Momentum GT 54 to 76003 Performance Intake System, revered as the best cold air intake for Tundra. This remarkable upgrade outflows the factory intake by an impressive 38%, ensuring your engine breathes easily and gains the power it craves. With an additional 20 horsepower and a stout 33 pounds/foot torque max gain, this intake system transforms your driving experience. The secret lies in its innovative design, featuring a 5-layer progressively finer oiled, washable cotton gauze media for optimal airflow. The one-piece sealed housing, equipped with an auxiliary air scoop and a built-in side window, provides an unparalleled level of protection and performance. What's more, the unique, patent-pending filter-to-housing interface makes installation a breeze, so you can get ready to hit the road in no time. Keep in mind that this product is not CARB-exempt, making it unavailable for sale in California, or for vehicles registered with the California Department of Motor Vehicles. Upgrade your Tundra today with the AFA Power Momentum GT and experience the difference. Number 3. Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit, designed explicitly for 2007 to 2011 Toyota Sequoia and Tundra models. This high-performance system is engineered to increase horsepower and torque like never before. With dyno-tested improvements that deliver up to 50% more airflow than the restrictive factory air filter and intake tube, you'll notice the difference right away. Ideal for those who frequently tow, this intake kit significantly enhances acceleration and uphill performance, providing quicker throttle response when it matters most. Not only does it boost functionality, but it also produces a distinctive engine sound that resonates power beneath the hood. Moreover, it ensures world-class protection, filtering out harmful contaminants and debris to keep your engine safe and sound. With easy maintenance that requires no filter cleaning for up to 100,000 miles and a straightforward installation process needing only basic hand tools, you'll be on the road in no time. Importantly, this upgrade will not void your vehicle warranty. If you're searching for the best cold air intake for Tundra, look no further than the Spectre Performance Air Intake Kit. Number 2. Rough Country Cold Air Intake is hailed as the best cold air intake for the Tundra, designed specifically for the 2012 to 2021 Toyota Tundra's 5.7L engine. This exceptional product boosts horsepower and performance, giving your vehicle that extra power you crave. It circulates cooler, denser air, resulting in more oxygen entering the combustion chamber, thereby enhancing combustion efficiency. Equipped with a premium, reusable air filter, you can maintain long-lasting performance while reducing waste. Installation is a breeze. You can easily fit this intake at home, and Rough Country provides stellar support throughout the process. Plus, you can have peace of mind knowing that it's backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Transform your Tundra into a powerhouse with the rough country cold air intake and experience the thrill of increased performance every time you hit the road. Perfection meets durability, making this intake an excellent choice for any Tundra enthusiast looking to elevate their driving experience.
Number 1. Canden Cold Air Intake System is your ultimate solution for maximizing horsepower and torque, making it the best cold air intake for Tundra enthusiasts. Engineered for models from 2012 to 2021, this high-flow air filter system ensures a significantly less restrictive path for airflow, allowing cool, oxygen-rich air to power your engine like never before. What makes this product stand out is its dyno-tested performance. Each Canden intake system comes with reports confirming the horsepower and torque gains achieved through rigorous wheel-based testing. This translates to better towing capacity, enhancing acceleration and overall vehicle handling, perfect for both daily commutes and highway adventures. And don't worry about your investment, the Canden air intake won't void your vehicle's manufacturer warranty and is backed by a no-hassle lifetime limited warranty. Upgrade your ride today and experience the exceptional quality and performance that Canden is known for.
In summary, upgrading to the best cold air intake for your Tundra can significantly enhance engine performance, fuel efficiency, and overall driving experience. Whether you prioritize power, sound, or aesthetics, there's an option perfect for your needs. We hope this guide helps you make an informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts with us. Your support keeps our channel going.